The best in the world. Beer from our Czech brothers. Hello guys, my name is Doke, and I promise that I will try to stay sober during the whole length of this video. Anyways, after the second mashup with 10 effects, the I Try series is back, and today we are trying to paint beer. Before we start with the preparation, you let me know in the comments below if you are more of a beer guy or a wine guy, or you drink milk because you are under 18, like most of you, right? I promised to myself that after the summer break I want to improve the I Try series by choosing more crazy and traditional stuff. I mean, painting water, fire, it's all cool, but I feel like we need to level up. I'm not completely sure if choosing beer is a level up, but it's definitely weird, and weird is always a good thing, right? Alright, so we will start at Google as always. There are a million kinds of beer, but I think that we can agree on the one thing, and that's the fact that the best way how to drink beer is out of glass. And so I guess that our painting today will involve some glass, not just beer. Also, beer can have a lot of colors, but I think that we can agree that the most typical color for a beer is yellow or gold if you want. To be completely sure, we can also take a look at beer in reality. And yeah, we all know how beer looks. Beautiful golden color at the bottom and white foam on the top. Right now it's time to make a sketch. So, we have a sketch and we know how beer behaves. Alright, first painting after 3 weeks. Let's do it. first 2 hours of this painting were about the background. I wanted to create sort of a city in the back because most of the product pictures of beers have CDs or pubs in the background. And yeah, right now we are actually getting to the beer. Here are the colors that we need. Just as I told you in the beginning, beer basically looks like a gold, so this is the color scheme that we need. From a really dark brown all the way to yellow. And for the foam, I'll use really light gray and milk coffee. Hell yeah. There will be also some white for the reflections and grays for the glass stuff. Right, let's do it. Someone should come up with a white beer. Yeah, I've done this just because of yellow. Yellow is a color which in general has a problem with opacity. It already looks kind of like a beer. If I was making a cartoon, I would just put outline over there and I would be done. But we want something more realistic. And so right now I need to put shadows and yeah, this is the difficult part. This goddamn wind is not helping me at all. Yeah, as I'm standing right over here, I'm not completely sure if this worked or no. So let's see. Nyeh. It's been a tough fight, but at the moment I'm kind of satisfied with the first letter. Although
Once again, one of the main problems with this painting is that I don't have a 100% sketch. And so during the whole length of painting, I'm just sort of guessing how the beer would look in my leather glasses. I'm just trying to assume that some parts are light, some parts are dark, and I'm doing these assumptions based on normal glasses, but alright, my peeps, it's done. And in my opinion, you either gonna love it or hate it. But one thing that I'm definitely sure about is that this was not an easy project. No. Guys, if you like it, thumb up would be awesome, as always. And yeah, let me know in the comments below some crazy ideas of yours for my suffering. Yeah, for the I Try series. That's what I meant. This is